position quando... Can I pet him? Oh, he's so cute. Hello everybody. It's been a while, I know. The footage that you just saw was from January 20th and it is currently March the 16th. So that footage was from 2 months ago. A lot of you have been asking where I've been and if I'm okay, and I just need to tell you I am okay. I'm so sorry for not posting in a very long time. We have just been having huge life changes, and I'm not going to give away what it is yet because I'm going to save that for the next video. I guess I'm going to leave a little bit of a cliffhanger for you guys so that you guys can think about it and get a little curious. But we have been going through huge life changes, and it's a bit stressful. It has been very stressful until where we've gotten today. I am not in the States anymore. We have left the States. So yeah, we're gone from the States, and I wanted to come here on YouTube to post this video because you guys deserve it. I have had a huge overflow of messages asking if I've been okay. So I'm so sorry for worrying you guys. I am okay, I am healthy, we are great. Luigi and I are great, the cats are great. But like I told you, we've just been going through huge life changes. Can you guess what it is? It's not what you think. Or at least the first thing that will pop in your mind. I know what you guys are going to think. It's not that. But I wonder, can you guys guess? What happened in our life or what has changed in our life. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for messaging me, worrying about me, and thank you for your patience. I am so sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I know I just went like, I left, or not left, but I just stopped posting out of nowhere. And there are reasons for that, but I'm sorry. And I think we will be back on track for maybe weekly postings. So yeah, if you would please forgive me and stay with me on my channel, I would really appreciate it because I really enjoy all of your guys' friendship. You guys are my friends. I love speaking to you guys. I love all your opinions, your different point of views on life, and I just don't want to lose this relationship with you guys, so I'm so sorry for not posting in a long time. I hope you guys can forgive me, and I hope you guys will stay with me on our journey that we call life. In the comments down below what you guys have been doing in the past 2 months. I've missed you. Some of you have expressed that you missed me. Thank you so much for all your support always, and asking if I'm okay. I am okay. I'm sorry for worrying you guys. So yeah, I'm not going to extend this video on very longer because I want to keep you guys curious, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the next video, because the next video you will find out what has happened in our lives that has changed so much. I'm excited to tell you guys. I haven't been sharing what has been happening because of privacy reasons, but we are ready to share with you guys what has changed. And I think it's going to be a fun journey. I think I'm giving it away, but I think it's going to be fun sharing it with you guys. But I know that most of you are going to guess one thing, and that's not the thing, so it's kind of funny seeing what people have in their minds. Let me know down in the comments below what you think has changed. I won't confirm it until the next video has come out. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss the next video. I don't know when it will come up, maybe next week. I'm going to try and get this video out today, the day that I'm filming this clip, because I think you guys deserve an update or a video, because you guys have been so patient with me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, like always, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!